Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please click the subscribe button and the bell icon for more videos. Today, we are going to talk about reclaimed wood furniture ideas. While decorating your home with wooden furniture, you should be aware of the fact that our never-ending appetite for hardwood furniture and accessories is making forests deplete faster, putting our ecosystem at risk. This is why sustainable living is so much important. Our small efforts like using reclaimed wood for small remodeling jobs and making furniture helps us to do our bit to save the environment. There are various amazing things you can build using salvaged or scrapped wood and pallets. Trust me, reclaimed wood can do wonders in a boring nook of your house, turning it into an inviting living space. Whether trying to inject some character into your boring living room or looking for a perfect kitchen makeover, we have compiled a handy guide with more than 20 reclaimed wood ideas that may inspire you to make some creative gems for your home foster. After having a look at these practical ideas, you will surely get tempted to meddle with old wooden pallets catching dust in your storeroom. Reclaimed wood is one of the biggest hipster interior design trends of recent years. There are creative DIYers making good use of reclaimed wood to create furniture items like chair, sofa, center table, coffee table, and storage cabinets. These reclaimed wood furniture lend a warm appeal to any living room and infuse a sense of history. Well, if it sounds hard to believe, check out the following reclaimed wood furniture pieces to get some inspiration. A chair made out of reclaimed wood is perfect to be placed in a quiet corner in your living or study room. They are just perfect to brighten up your space with an unforgettable rustic appeal that will make heads turn. If you are creative and have woodworking skills, you can use reclaimed wood to make a beautiful and functional coffee table to be placed in your living room. They are better than glass tables in terms of aesthetics, functionality, and durability. Rather than furnishing your living room with metal table, opt for an eco-friendly coffee table that lends a lasting appeal to your interior. If you are looking for a low-cost alternative to organize your living room, go for a reclaimed wood storage cabinet. Earthy look and aesthetically pleasing characteristics are perfect to add a natural appeal to any space. You can make it look more appealing by garnishing it with some decorative pieces like sculptures, collectible flower vases, or your favorite books on it. If thinking of decorating your bedroom with reclaimed wood, you have lots of options. From bed to headboard and lamp to clothes hanger, there are different furniture and accessories made from reclaimed wood that will inspire you enough to try these trends in your bedroom. A bed made from pallet wood is a good example of reclaimed wood furniture. Bed frame made from recycled wood pallets is sleek and durable. The bed frames are equally classy, plus they can be customized as per personal preference. About a rustic headboard for your bed. It is a great idea to add some attention-grabbing piece to your bedroom. These reclaimed wood headboards are best for those wanting to add a rich rustic charm to their bedroom. Using a wooden crate as a bedside table is a great idea for sure. I have also tried this simple setting by covering it with a fine piece of cloth. However, carving out drawers to keep personal stuff organized is even a better idea. Check out these lovely reclaimed wood bedside tables that ensure to enhance the overall appeal of your bedroom while providing enough storage space. Reclaimed wood can be used to make kitchen worktops, backsplashes, and dining furniture. They work outstandingly and embellish your space too. Many companies offer professional services and plans for reclaimed wood kitchen island and dining furniture. No material can beat the charisma of the texture of hardwood. Here are few creative ideas for inspiration. Some of the most spectacular DIY projects involve taking an old piece of furniture and giving it a new identity, or using something as simple and useless as a pallet and turning it into something functional and amazing. Reclaimed wood furniture is very interesting mostly because it has a history, and this makes it charming and unique. Hope you like these projects and that might give you some inspiration. See you again with amazing decoration ideas.